Learn English at home with these 10 top tips. 1. Begin by immersing yourself in the language. If you want to be surrounded by English, you don't have to be in an English-speaking nation. Get creative with methods you may include English into your daily routines at home, such as jotting down a grocery list or reading the newspaper, or even listening to the radio while driving to work. 2. Make friends with people who speak English. People from other countries are likely to be living close to you, even if they don't speak the same language as you. Going to international pubs and restaurants, joining sports
to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
If you're unable to locate English language publications, you may always turn to the internet for daily updates on world events. Take a look at the free English tools offered by EF English here and see how well you do in our pre-English exam, amusing quizzes, and ebooks. 5. Finally, get on the internet. You may connect with individuals from all around the globe if you log onto the internet today. Find a pen pal to improve your English while also learning about other cultures by participating in internet discussion groups or taking online English courses. It's not simple to contact with pals around the world thanks to social media. And establish a community of methods for yourself. It's important to have a goal in mind while you're learning a new language. Do you want to be able to communicate with foreign coworkers or study abroad? Maintain a record of your progress for both short-term and long-term objectives. 7.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If you're still happy, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Learn new words in a blind
what's wrong and why you
Look up the lyrics to your favorite English songs if you like singing.
I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
To help you recall new terminology, write examples of phrases or draw images next to them. 9. In order to have a better understanding of the country, it's important to know the people and culture of English-speaking nations may be found by doing some research. A language is more than simple grammar and vocabulary. It's